Are you looking for the services of a business coach? Are you looking for a professional you can really trust? Armed with the right tools and proper questions, your search will be quick and easy. We caught up with a local expert on business coaching to give you some incredible information and insider tips to finding the right professional.
Hi, my name is Sarah Brown. I'm a franchise coach and consultant with FranNet in Southern Nevada. Southern Nevada's Las Vegas and Henderson. I would like to talk to you a little bit about franchising and some tips to actually find a franchise that may fit your skills, goals, and lifestyle. I am often asked, Sarah, what's a hot new franchise? And I say, that's a great question, but probably the most important question is, how do you find a franchise that fits you, that fits your skills, your lifestyle, and your goals? So, I'm going to share with you a couple different tips here. So, who is franchising good for? I would say there's two buckets of people that franchising is typically a good fit for. One is first-time small business owners. So, a lot of folks from corporate America, corporate refugees, if you will, and franchising supplies the industry, the training, that kind of thing. So you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And then the second big subset of people that franchising makes sense for are folks that want to keep their day job. Maybe they're an executive, a current small business owner, a lawyer, a doctor, and they want to have a more passive business where they can make money when they're not there through a manage the manager kind of setup. And franchising is uniquely set up to be able to provide semi-passive, semi-absentee ownership opportunities. So I'm going to share two tips with you as you approach the daunting task of finding the right franchise. There are over 3,000 franchises in the United States across 80 different industries, and that can be incredibly overwhelming. How do you separate the wheat from the chaff? And at FranNet, we kind of help you do that. We have taken a look at about 150 franchises and done validation ourselves, and we only align ourselves with high quality franchises that have strong support and a proven track record. So tip number one is focus on you. Do not put a square peg in a round hole. Focus on the function of the owner, not the function of the business. At FranNet, we do that through our proprietary matching process. And so taking this 20 to 30 minute assessment is the first step to finding the right franchise fit for you. Tip number two. Tip number two is to do your homework. At FranNet, I really serve two functions to my clients. The first one is as a franchise matchmaker. So almost like the eHarmony of business ownership and matching you to the right opportunity. But the second big service that I provide is helping you navigate the due diligence or research process. How do you read a disclosure document? How to conduct a strong validation process. So FranNet has a lot of great tools, but it never negates your obligation to yourself and your family to do your own research. So in summary, if you're thinking about small business ownership and it's always been a dream of yours, franchise ownership could reduce your risk. It never negates your risk, but franchise could be the running head start. I highly encourage you, if you would like to explore small business ownership through franchising, to call me at 702-378-7921 or go to my website, frannet.com/sbrown, or start taking our personal franchise assessment, and you'll be one step closer to your dream of small business ownership. Thank you.
Now, that is pretty impressive, isn't it? And a great professional is always here to help. Now you have some helpful tools to make the best decision. Would you like to learn more? Contact our featured expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for joining us.